Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets, free and powerful tools for creating and editing spreadsheets online. Let's get started. Open a browser like Google Chrome or Edge. In this video, I'm using Edge. Go to the search bar and type sheets.google.com, then press enter. Log in with your Google account. Enter your Gmail ID and click on the next button. Now enter your password. Click Next to proceed. You can choose a template or start fresh by clicking on Blank Spreadsheet. I am choosing Blank Document for this video. Click anywhere in the spreadsheet and start typing. In this video, I will show you how to create a simple chart. Enter column names in each column as shown here. First, I am entering No in the first column, second column as name, and percentage in the third column. Now start entering values in created columns, like in the No column, I am entering 1. Next, in the Name column, enter any name, for example, here I am entering Yogesh. In the next column, enter the percentage here. I am giving 20. Now enter some more details as I am showing in this video. After entering details, select all the values. Now click on Insert and select Chart. A chart will be displayed along with a new pop-up. By using the pop-up, you can make changes to the chart. For example, I am changing the color of the text to red by clicking on the names and changing the default color to red. Now you can see the color of the names changes into red. And also you can change bar colors. Example, I am clicking on bars and changing default color to blue. Now, in the same way, you can change the color of each bar in the chart, like clicking on the bar and clicking on the default color and changing it to the color you want. Here in this video I am changing each color of the bars separately. Google Sheets auto-saves your work automatically. To rename your spreadsheet, click on File. Select Rename. Enter a new name. In this example, I am changing it to Test Marks, and press Enter. If you want to share your document, click on File, click on Share, and select Share with Others. A pop-up appears, where you can enter an email address of whom you want to send or simply click the Copy Link button to share the spreadsheet. In this video, I am sharing this sheet using Mail ID, so enter the mail ID you want to share. Some suggestions will be shown, select that. A new pop-up appears. In that pop-up, you have 3 permission options to select. The first is Viewer, the second is Commenter, and finally, there is Editor. I am choosing Editor. Now, click Done to share. If you want to download your document, click on File and select Download. You can choose different file formats like PDF, Word, or other options. In this video, I am downloading as a PDF, so click on PDF and click on the Export button. The download starts automatically. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment on what you want next. See you in the next video.